Alright, so we out here installing a turbo kit on this Civic, which I don't know what year it is. You know what year it is?
92.
92? It's a B20, right?
It is a B20.
With like a with a weird head though.
A really weird head.
It's got VTEC, which is all that matters.
Yeah, it's shit.
It's not ours.
Yeah, no, it's our buddies. And we're just kind of here doing the work.
The turbo kit was what? Not a CX Racing, was it?
No,
It was $600. That's all I remember.
yeah, $600, not eBay turbo.
Not eBay.
Doing better than an eBay turbo.
So far, all we've done is take the bumper off, which took like 2 seconds because like, you just unscrewed the top and like we just pulled it off. It's too easy. And then right now we're loosening the old headers.
Yeah, we're getting rid of the headers. We got a new intercooler. We got a turbo. I mean, what could go wrong besides our friend's life?
Yeah, this car's already pretty fast for no reason really. I mean, it's pretty bad shape. Like it's rough. It's got new seats in it that didn't really mount up properly. That's nice, but got these really weird wheels. I don't really know what's up with those. We'll probably plastic it at some point, but for now it's okay. Yeah, we just want to get some stupid power out of this right now, but
yeah, that's today's project.
yeah.
Let's do it.
Alright, so we just got the headers off. Nice. Yeah. A little warm, but they came up pretty easily actually.
Little warm.
A little warm, yeah. When we say a little warm, we mean boiling hot, so.
So yeah, you know.
So the kits come with new gaskets, but apparently they could be really cheap quality. We should reuse the old ones, but I don't know.
I mean,
It depends. Good job. He has new downpipe too, right?
Oh yeah. Oh.
Because essentially the turbo's gonna fit like right here. No, it'll be kind of cool, man. This has come out too, I'm pretty sure. Like this wiggly boy.
Yeah. Holy shit! Look at how much is leaking too. That is. Oh, that's water.
I just sprayed that on there.
Yeah, that's water. Yeah. Nice.
So now we doing the downpipe, taking the old one off. What do you need?
Silicone.
Silicone is right here. Woo. The little straw thing's like right behind you if you need that too.
No, it's right there.
Aight. Also, Amit hasn't shown up yet.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna do this for him.
His car's gonna be done.
He should pay us probably, I think.
Yeah. Actually, we should ask him for some money.
Nah. But like also yeah. The wrench is right next to your head, by the way.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, so we got a 13 and we got a 13. Yeah.
Yes, no.
That was totally stuck on.
Also, like, be careful when you undo him because he'll fall on your face.
Yeah, that's cute. Oh wow, this is way looser than it should have been. That one's loose. There we go. I swear to God, this better just be the easiest old clip that I've ever had to unfasten.
It's definitely not gonna be.
You don't know that. Oh, it's just because it's slippery, because there's fucking grease all over my hands.
Slippery.
Guys, how do I undo this?
Just like do it from the pipe itself. Unless, oh, okay, there you go.
Got you.
Why is this exposed?
No, I don't know. I'm confused with the design of this thing.
No, there should be he's missing a cover completely. Look at this.
Wow.
Shouldn't that bolt in over there?
I mean, there's probably some shield that went up here, but I mean,
Nah,
this
but
is
even
just,
still, look at that. It's completely open.
I mean, yeah, let's just put some rocks in there.
At the very minimum, he needs like an under tray.
Yeah, he needs a lot of things.
Right, so Amit's here now.
Yeah,
and now
octopi tentacles over here. Damn, this is kind of sick. Look how good this is going. Oh.
It looks a lot nicer for sure. What?
So, just take out the. So, this is what was supposed to happen. So, let's just. We're good.
And then, that's a massive turbo, actually.
Hey, I mean. I think it's large, dude. That thing's gonna make some power.
Need the zip ties?
Probably at some point.
Yeah, not right now.
New radiator, new intercooler, new downpipe, and then
Okay.
blow off valve, wastegate, some stuff, oil lines.
Oh shit. Isn't that sick?
All right.
And so your turbo is just gonna be right there. Very cool.
This thing's actually kind of crazy.
It weighs more than me.
Alright, so we're getting the headers on now.
What do you mean? I don't have the other one. There was our PP right here. Found it. Our PP.
Shut up.
Oh, you're
Alright, so this be a really sad attempt at clocking a turbo.
It's just gonna hurt when I do it.
Stop being a bitch, Aiden.
Come on!
Look at the hell out of position.
Yeah.
Oh, you're right. So we have to just.
This has to be positioned.
That way, yeah, okay. This bumper like almost fell off. Oh, it is. Stop! It's illegal to abandon used oil.
Okay.
Stop!
Alright, so we out here at AutoZone because we need
What
oil.
about this?
It looks
It's
like
illegal.
coolant. Okay. We need coolant, we need oil, and
Meanwhile.
alright, so we got the 580 oil. We need some coolant now.
What type of coolant? Might be a long time.
Shut up. Asian vehicles? It's probably Asian vehicles, right?
Damn, they're really being racist out here. Stereotyping all these parts.
All right, so now we're gonna take the oil pan off because you gotta bung
We have to unscrew
welded.
these, right?
Yeah, eventually we gotta weld a bung onto there for the oil line for the turbo. But first we gotta drain the oil. So
That is a true state. Look at those new brakes, bro. Look at that. Wow.
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 What do you think it is? 16?
Yeah, but what are these smallers? Like 10?
Small ones? I have no, maybe 8. I don't know.
They're pretty small. Bigger.
Oh, it's bigger than 16. All right.
It's like a 17. And we're going the right way.
Lefty loosey on me.
You ready?
You're gonna get oil all over you.
You ready?
Yeah. All right, so now I gotta drain the coolant out of this old radiator. Already got this clamp off, but it's gonna be a little bit messy. Got the pan down here, but it's gonna spray everywhere. I already know it. Oh no. The entire mount has just come off. It's all old and crusty. This coolant is so old, wow. Put the camera down for this real quick. Hopefully I don't spray it on my face. Oh!
Bruh.
Alright, that didn't go very well.
Did it just not?
I mean, most of it went in the pan, but it sprayed everywhere too, so.
Oh, you mean... Yeah.
Got that new radiator in, mostly. It looks pretty similar to the old one, but probably better quality.
10 years newer, probably.
Yeah. So. Day 5, day 5. It's done. We have to drag the exhaust out. We unbolted the old exhaust, but it's kind of stuck. What? Yeah. Yo, it works, it works, it works. Let's do it.
Takes a while to get it in, but it comes.
Oh my god, it actually like destroyed it.
You want to finish it, Aiden?
Yeah.
Watch your face.
Something's wrong with it though. What? Oh my god, the spool! We just drove to the nearest shopping centers to check it out. This is awesome. I can't believe we actually did this.
I can't believe you did it.
None of us have installed a turbo kit before. It's all there.
Oh my god, they turned like gold.
Yeah, dude, it's changing color.
They're burning off. Yeah, that's
Oh, the radiators.
That's what I said.
Is it?
Are you sure, Aiden?
it's hot.
No, this is the hottest shit. That shit's insane.
Yeah, it turned
You
gold.
can see the smoke that came out of the wastegate. They left kind of a mark there.
Wow.
Oh, right there already?
Yeah, dude.
Look at the turbo.
Okay, let's go.
Turbo show.
Turbo's chilling, man.
Okay. It's like actually smoke. Is it smoke? Yeah. I don't know. No, I know so.
I can't wait to drive the Civic after it's tuned properly and it's, you know, fall in working order. It should be really fun. We got some really interesting looks already, and the car's only been on the road for like maybe 10 minutes. So yeah, it should be pretty fun. But we'll see next video. I'm not sure what car it'll be on, but we'll see. All right.
Washers go with the nuts, right?
You gotta go underneath the car, man.
Bro, sick V4, bro.
Shut up.
I'm sorry.
Oh my god! Give me this
You
too!
want the washer?
Oh my god, of course I have one!
I can't remember whether your washers go with the nuts or
They go with the bowl.
okay.
Up, meat up. Mush, oh meat, mush!